any other question, point of clarification?
In terms of, I think it should be a question.
Right.
A lot of it is based on John Hattie's
Right.
research. In terms of the most useful mean effect size is feedback.
Yes.
Is there a difference between the feedback that you get in other countries compared to Asian countries?
Right. Okay. Okay, folks. Question from Peggy. Peggy noticed that for the different methods, feedback as the highest effect size. Now, within feedback, you might have noticed there's tutor feedback, peer feedback, and self-assessment, right? Can you remember which one was the most, at the highest effect size? Peggy, you're a star. That's right. Yeah, okay. Now then, so what Peggy's question was, does that evidence apply to Asia, or is it specific to certain Western cultures?
Was there another experiment that...
Right, okay. So the question is, okay, is feedback effect size? I normally write very quickly, but I'm trying to make it legible today. Just note for the cameraman. Is feedback effect size? Is feedback culturally specific? Okay. Right, okay. Any more questions or points of clarification? Gary?
Feedback, right? Are we talking about there's one point, I think, in the principle of assessment, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this feedback is on the facilitator, assessment of the facilitator.
Right, okay.
The learner, the class, feedback to the facilitator.
It's feedback generally. If you think about it, folks, everybody okay with this? What Gary's talking about is connecting feedback to assessment. And we know that one of the things that we're trying to promote in classrooms is formative assessment, sometimes called assessment for learning. And it's based on the idea that we learn better if we get good quality feedback. Feedback on the task, feedback on the process, and feedback on the way we're managing learning, right? Okay, so that's the basic point, because what does feedback do? If we look at feedback as a psychological thing, what does feedback do for the learning process? It does what? It tests your understanding. So as a facilitator, if you're giving students tasks to do, asking them questions, you're getting feedback on their understanding. So if they answer the questions well, that's good. Now, I'm getting feedback, certainly, that some people here have gone through the online tutorial quite well, right? Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. Am I facilitating, am I teaching, or am I assessing you? What do you think? Well, that's right, yeah, because assessment and learning are two sides of the same coin, yeah? I have a point. Yeah. No, it's okay.
What if the challenge is that people are not very enthused about providing feedback?
Right. Okay, so now what, I've got to get this right, haven't I? So-chew, right? Sweet-chew. Right, what you've actually done now is taken us from questions to points of clarification to a challenge. So in a sense, that's come out of your question. So let's put this challenge up then. Challenge is reluctant learners. Is that what you're saying? In other words, if they're reluctant learners, yeah, okay, I mean, reluctant means many things. Shy, don't want to be there. In other words, learners are not terribly interested in being there. So we've got a challenge there.